Hi everyone, this is 6 Storm Team meteorologist Ken Weathers with your forecast discussion for this Saturday, December the 27th. Hard to believe we're almost to the end of 2014. And then, well, as we go through the day today, mostly cloudy conditions will prevail. It's going to be mild though. We're talking mid to upper 50s, some close to that 60-degree mark. But I think we squeak out a mainly dry day. Sunset's at 5:29, and then rain looks likely to move in overnight to at least the first part of the day on Sunday. I'll explain in just a minute. And then some colder air heads our way for the new year. Now, temperature-wise, as I mentioned, going to be climbing pretty quickly through lunchtime into the low to mid 50s, and by this afternoon, mid to upper 50s, and as I said, some could be close to that 60-degree mark, especially the further east that you go across the region. Now, here's what we're talking about rain condition-wise, keeping it dry through lunchtime, but by 4 o'clock, we're seeing a few isolated showers from the plateau up into southeast Kentucky. So again, most areas dry, but can't rule out a sprinkle or light shower close to sunset. Heading to 8 o'clock, still showing mainly dry conditions at this point, but shortly after midnight, rain will become likely. Here's 3 a.m. and here's 8 a.m. Showers likely across the area. There will be a bit of a break, it looks like, mid to late morning on Sunday, but it's going to quickly fill back in for the second half of Sunday into Sunday night across the area. So for today, rainfall amounts look pretty paltry at best. This is ending at 6 o'clock this evening, and again, mainly just across portions of the plateau into Kentucky while the rest of us stay dry. But watch overnight through tomorrow midday, and most everybody will see at least some measurable rainfall. As you can see, some areas a lot more, especially the further north and west that you go. So for today, hour by hour, we'll get into the upper 50s for highs. Slight chance of a sprinkle or shower before sunset, but more likely we'll see those rain opportunities moving through overnight tonight into at least the first part of the day on Sunday, as I mentioned. But I think there is a bit of a break midday Sunday before the second round arrives Sunday night into early Monday. Now, colder air filters in behind this system, so we could see a few flurries on Tuesday, but not a big concern. We're going to end 2014 on a dry note. Here's Wednesday, but it's chilly high, struggling to get back to near 40. Cold New Year's Eve night, we'll be at 26 degrees for a low, highs near 40 for the first day of 2015. And I do think we could start to see a light mix Thursday night into early Friday before changing over to rain through the day. Still a little ways out on that one, but we're going to keep a close eye on it. You can always get the latest, of course, at WATE.com. And I'd appreciate a follow there on social media. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, also Google+. All right, hope you have a great Saturday, everyone.